Hello everyone, welcome to the current affairs session of 12th May 2020. So I'm back with a new class today. Let us start our class. The first news coming is about a mission which is going on, that is Mission Sagar. This is a health mission which India is providing under Sagar initiative, that is security and growth for all in the region in the Indian Ocean area. Under the Sagar initiative, Government of India is helping some countries with COVID-19 medicine, that is hydrochloroquine tablets, and special Ayurvedic medical assistance also with medical team also. These countries are Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles and Madagascar and Comoros. These are these countries which are in the Indian Ocean region, and Government of India has launched Mission Sagar with some medicines. Mission is according to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji vision of security and growth for all in the region. This mission was taken under Ministry of Defence and also Ministry of Economic Affairs. So this is the first help which India has launched to these countries in the COVID-19 pandemic. So let us see our next current affairs. The next current affair is coming from National Gallery of Modern Art, that is NGMA, New Delhi, the premier institute in the country. The news is they have been showcasing some artworks. So on 7th May 2020, when we have celebrated our birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, so they are honoring Rabindranath Tagore with a theme artist by artist and also by a virtual program NGMA के संग्रह से. So this was the news all about National Gallery of Modern Art. Next news is Indian Council of Medical Research has entered into partnership with India Post to deliver coronavirus test kits. So Indian Council of Medical Research has been generating test kits. The main target is to test 1 lakh tests every day. For that, they have to reach into small cities and towns. That will be held by India Post. So India Post and ICMR has partnered. Now test kits will be available in each and every small districts of India, and testing will be made possible. Okay, so this was the one partnership news. Let us see our next news. Awards and Recognition Center. This is the news is the awards. The award is Deutsche Welle Freedom of Speech Award. This award is given to a journalist who used to present outstanding commitment to human rights and freedom of expression in the media. The award is given to an Indian journalist. The journalist name is Siddhartha Varadharajan. This is Siddhartha Varadharajan. Varadharajan. Okay, so he is the editor of The Wire and he has given news about the COVID-19 from India. He is selected for this award from India. To keep this name in mind, Siddharth Varadharajan, founding editor of online newspaper The Wire. Let us see our next current affairs. The appointment is coming as from International Hockey Federation. That appointment is like his appointment. He is already appointed as the president. His term has been extended. That is, Mr. Narendra Dhruv Batra's term has been extended for 2021 May month due to COVID-19 pandemic. Talking about International Hockey Federation, its headquarters is in Switzerland, Lucerne, and he is the president, that is Narendra Batra. Let us see our next current affairs from Science and Technology. The news is Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology has developed first indigenous testing kit. The name of the kit is ELISA for COVID-19 COVID Kavach. So this kit will be testing coronavirus symptoms with the help of antibodies. What it will do is will test antibody detection in the person. As we all know, there are two types of coronavirus, one which show symptom and one which do not show symptom. Which do not show symptom is known as asymptomatic. Okay, so to test this type of person who are asymptomatic, government is planning to provide some sort of invention. This invention has been brought forward by ICMR and NIV. The ELISA test kit will help to test by means of antibodies. This is the fast testing kit which will allow to detect coronavirus infected persons very easily. Okay, let us see our next current affairs. This is the news from Research Center Imarat. This is a lab of DRDO only. So these have developed automated contactless ultraviolet C sanitization cabinet. Okay, that name is Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer. This sanitizer is very important because this is concentrated on small things. For example, it will sanitize mobile phones, iPad, laptop, currency note, check, passbook, paper and envelope. Means small things which we use in our daily life, but we don't think of sanitizing those things. We used to wash those things, but we can't wash notes, right? Note will become wet. So according to me, this sanitizer will be very effective in treating all the virus. Okay, let us see our next news. This obituary is coming. The historian Hari Shankar Vasudev passed away. He is also a teacher of Calcutta University, passed recently due to COVID-19 disease in a hospital at the age of 68. Please remember his name, Hari Shankar Vasudev. He is a historian. The books and author section. This book is Fear of God, Vadhan, written by Boma Devaraya Sai Chandravan. Okay, the title is Fear of God. Let us see our next news is about the day. The day is 11th May 2020. This is National Technology Day. So let me discuss about National Technology Day. First, I will discuss about its history, that why it is celebrated. As we all know that India has tested first nuclear missile test in May 1974. That is Pokhran 1. Okay, and then what happened is Pokhran 2 takes place in 11 May 1998. That is under the APJ Abdul Kalam initiative. So this National Technology Day is celebrated all because it has been named by our Prime Minister, prior Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, because on this 11th May 1998, Pokhran 2 test was taken place. That is, in Pokhran Shakti nuclear missile was tested by the Indian Army in Rajasthan, and to commemorate the success, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji has named this day as National Technology Day, and that is the reason we Indians used to celebrate on 11th May National Technology Day. For this year, the theme selected is, let me write the theme. The theme is rebooting the economy through science and technology. So very important news. Please keep in mind. I will say the theme once again: rebooting the economy through science and technology. So please keep in mind. So thank you for watching. एक लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है फॉर दिस वीडियो. कीप शेयरिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग डेयर टू विन फैमिली. थैंक यू वेरी मच.